everyone, it's Beth from SweetHearts here and welcome to another tutorial. So today I'm with the lovely Lara, new model. She came to me to have her hair done. I was like, do you fancy doing a video for me? So we thought today we're going to keep it nice and light and summery. We're going to be doing some braiding with this like sort of ribbon. And it matches Lara's top lovely. It's really, really easy style. I think you're going to love it, so let's get started. Okay guys, so this style is sort of very easy breezy, very summery. I'm going to do a little bit of back comb in this area, but it's completely optional, that is, guys. So little sections, give a little spray. You've seen me do this a million times. You can go really big, just a little bit, or none at all. Little brush through over the top layer of hair, and that's kind of all I'm doing really. I'm not going to bother going too big with this style. Okay, so this is some sort of like lace ribbon, but you could literally do this style with any kind of, you could do it with like a really thin scarf, you could do it with ribbon, you could do it with, you know, sort of like a twine, whatever you want. But I thought it'd be quite cute and quite summery to use this sort of lace one, and it matches Lara's top as well. I feel like, guys, it's a little bit on the thick side. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of fold it in half like that. So I've just made it just a little bit thinner and easier to work with. And then what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to place this ribbon on the head like that. If you can tip right forward a sec, babes. So it just runs there. So I have left a little bit of hair at the front there to work with. And then just to keep that in place, guys, I'm just going to cross over some hairpins, hair grips, just to hold it, and then I'll take those out at the end. So I kind of messed up the next bit, guys. I'm really sorry. I only found out when I was editing. I was like, what am I saying? So where I say to you in a minute, take 4 strands of hair, you're only going to take 3. And when I say starting on the right, you start on the left. I don't know what's the matter with me. Anyway, keep following, because the other side of the braid, it's the same and it's a lot clearer. Okay, guys, so the way we're going to start, so I've left that little bit out there. We need to get 4 sections of hair. So I'm going to take a little section from the front, and then I'm going to take 2 sections from this side bit like that. Okay, so we're left with 4 sections of hair. So on the right hand side we're going to start, and we're going to go over. So I've taken it over that first section, and it's going to go underneath my lace bit. And then on this side it's going to go under and over the top of my lace bit. This side again, we're going to go over, but this time we're going to add in a little bit of hair. So I've added in that hair, it's gone over the top, it's going to go underneath like that. And now we're back to the right hand side. So I'm going to add a little bit into that one now. And we're going to go under. And then we're going to go over. Like that. So we're going to keep repeating that, guys. So on the left hand side you're going to go over under, and on the right hand side you go under over. So I'm going to take it over first, then add my section of hair in, then I take it underneath my little lace ribbon rather, and then on this left hand side I'm going to go underneath, add a little section of hair, and then I'm going to go over my lace. Go back again to the left hand side, over it goes, add in your hair, under that lace one like that, and just keep repeating until you've run out of hair. And then I'm just going to take that braid down a little bit, guys. And then we're going to start on the other side. So again, I'm just taking it over, under, over. guys, so we're on the left hand side now. I've got my 4 strands, so I've got 1 on the left here and then 2 the other side of our ribbon braid. So we're going to start on the right and it's going to go over the top, underneath the ribbon, like so. And then we're going to go under and over the ribbon. We're going to start adding in strands now. So our right hand side, we're going to go over the top, taking a section of hair, adding that in. So we've gone over, then we're going to go under, and on this left hand side we're going to go under, add a section of hair in, and then take it over. So back to the right, guys. So this is how some people like to sort of add it in now to that section, but I kind of take it over first, then add in, and then take it underneath the ribbon. But it's up to you, it really doesn't matter. So under, adding a section in, and then over. And just carry on there for me, guys, all the way around to the back again. Okay guys, so next part of the style, you're going to grab hold of both these braids and decide which way round. So I think that way round is going to be the best way, and then I'm going to pop a bobble in those 2 braids there. And then I just want you to release these braids out here. And then next what we're going to do, guys, is just make this style a bit more sort of boho. So I'm going to just take hold of the bobble and just use it to kind of just pull against a little bit. And then you're going to be just teasing out these sections of this braid to your taste, really, guys. Whatever you like to do. You can pull out these little side bits if you want to sort of relax them up a little bit. Pull at the front bits a little bit. You can pull at this side. Just have a mess till you're happy. And then you'll just take hold of this ribbon, guys, and just however you want to do it, really. Just kind of tie a knot, tie a bow, whatever you want to do. And then I'm just going to give this ponytail a bit of va-va-voom, looking a bit flat. So I'm just kind of back combing underneath, and then I'll just smooth it out. And then just really carefully, guys, she says, nearly destroying the style, and take out your little grips at the front, because that is going to stay put no problem now. Okay guys, so that's the style finished. As always, I'm going to do a little spin for you. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Please feel free to comment. I always read them. I try and answer everything, but if I miss you, chances are I have read the comments. So try and keep it nice. No, I'm only joking. And I will see you next week for another video. Bye!